YouTube is a powerful platform for businesses of all sizes, but it can be tough to know where to start. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to help you get started with YouTube marketing and start seeing results. Tip 1. Create high-quality content. The most important thing for YouTube marketing is to create high-quality content that your audience will love. This means videos that are informative, engaging, and well-produced. Take the time to plan your videos out and make sure they're well-edited and polished. Here are some tips for creating high-quality content. Choose topics that are relevant to your audience. What are they interested in learning about? What problems do they have that you can help them solve? Do your research. Make sure your videos are accurate and informative. Be yourself. People can spot a fake from a mile away, so be genuine and authentic in your videos. Invest in good equipment. This doesn't mean you need to spend a lot of money, but you should have a decent camera and microphone. Edit your videos. This doesn't mean you need to be a professional video editor, but you should at least trim out any unnecessary footage and add some basic effects. Tip 2. Optimize your videos for search. When people search for things on YouTube, they're going to be looking for specific keywords. Make sure to include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos show up in search results and get seen by more people. Here are some tips for optimizing your videos for search. Choose the right keywords. Use a keyword research tool to find keywords that are relevant to your content and have a high search volume. Include your keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure your keywords are prominent in your titles, but don't keyword stuff. Write informative and engaging descriptions. Your descriptions should tell viewers what your video is about and why they should watch it. Use relevant tags. Tags are keywords that help YouTube categorize your videos. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Tip 3. Promote your videos on social media. Once you've created a great video, don't just leave it on YouTube. Promote it on your social media channels and tell your followers to check it out. You can also share your videos in relevant online communities and forums. Social media is a great way to promote your videos because it allows you to reach a large audience of people who are already interested in the topics that you talk about. You can share your videos on your own social media channels, or you can join relevant groups and communities and share your videos there. Here are some tips for promoting your videos on social media. Share your videos on all of your social media channels. Write engaging social media posts that introduce your video and tell viewers why they should watch it. Use relevant hashtags to help people find your videos. Ask your followers to share your videos with their friends and family. Here are some specific examples of how to promote your YouTube videos on social media. On Twitter, you can share a link to your video and write a brief tweet about what the video is about. You can also use relevant hashtags in your tweet. On Facebook, you can share a link to your video and write a short post about what the video is about. You can also ask your followers to share their thoughts on the video in the comments section. On LinkedIn, you can share a link to your video and write a post about how the video can be helpful for your professional network. You can also share your video in relevant LinkedIn groups. Tip 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers. One of the best ways to grow your YouTube channel is to collaborate with other YouTubers. This means making videos together or guest starring on each other's channels. This is a great way to cross-promote your channels and reach a new audience. Here are some tips for collaborating with other YouTubers. Reach out to YouTubers who create similar content to you. Propose a collaboration video idea that would be mutually beneficial. Be professional and easy to work with. Tip 5. Run YouTube ads. If you have the budget, running YouTube ads can be a great way to reach a wider audience and promote your videos. You can target your ads to specific demographics and interests, so you're only reaching people who are likely to be interested in your content. Here are some tips for running YouTube ads. Set a budget. Decide how much money you want to spend on YouTube ads. Choose your target audience. Who do you want to see your ads? You can target your ads by demographics, interests, and even keywords. Create compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. Use a strong call to action. Tell viewers what you want them to do after watching your ad. So there you have it. 5 YouTube marketing tips to help you get started and start seeing results. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more YouTube marketing tips and tricks. Bonus tip: use end screens and cards to promote your other videos and playlists.